Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Xfinity router to factory settings. Easy guide step by step clearly. To reset your Xfinity router to factory settings, start by locating your router. Look for a small, pinhole-sized reset button, usually found on the back or bottom of the device. Before proceeding, ensure your router is plugged in and powered on. Take a paperclip or a similar object to press the reset button. Insert the paperclip into the reset hole and press down gently. Hold the button for about 10 seconds. You will notice the lights on your router begin to blink or change. This indicates that the reset process is underway. After releasing the button, wait for the router to reboot. This may take a couple of minutes. Once the lights stabilize, your router has been reset to factory settings. You will now need to set up your network again, including your Wi-Fi name and password. Refer to the router's manual or the Xfinity website for guidance on the setup process. Make sure to connect to the router using the default login credentials. Keep in mind that resetting your router will erase any customized settings. Consult your service provider if you encounter any issues during the setup. And that's how you reset your Xfinity router to factory settings easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.